Hello everyone, this is how to add music to WhatsApp status. It's really simple. First we open Instagram and then what we need to do is to go to settings and make sure that all the stories are saved into the gallery. So we go to settings, we scroll down here and we click right here in archiving and downloading, and we make sure this option, the first option, save story to archive, is active. So once we do that, then we can go to stories and we can upload a video or a photo. In this case, for example, this photo, I just put some music, the music that I like the most, could be anything, and then I can make this, for example, disappear. I just scroll it a little smaller and I took off the screen, and then I just saved the story. Now the story is saved with the music, so the only thing I need to do is to go to WhatsApp and upload this story with the music, and that will be all.